Hi, it's Joan. This week we're looking at major suit raises, preemptive raises. There are two types of major suit raises. One is constructive, and that means that you expect to make your contract if you give the right information. And the other, preemptive, is not constructive at all. It's obstructive. And what it means is that you're trying to obstruct the opponents rather than worrying about making your own contract. So the more trumps you have for partner and the weaker the hand, the better it is, believe it or not, to go quickly to game. So about 0 to 6 or so points and 5 trumps, especially if you've got a singleton, makes it work even better, and partner opens one of a major and you've got 5 card support, etc., goes straight to game. You don't know whether it's making or not making, but you haven't bid it to make it. You've bid it to get in the way of the opponents who will want to come in. Because if you've got 10 or even 11 trumps, they won't have any of your trumps and they'll probably have a contract. So a preemptive raise is a good weapon, but it must be a weak hand, like about 0 to 6 points, and 5 trumps with a singleton makes it even better. If you're worried about the vulnerability or you're worried about it, then just bid 3. But I much prefer to go straight to game, 1 heart, 4 hearts, 1 spade, 4 spades, because you really have ruined the opponent's bidding. Try the hand I've given you and see what you would have done on the hand, and have a great week, everyone. 14 high card points plus 1 extra for the 5th heart means we open 1 heart. Double shows an opening hand and shorting hearts. Partner's gone to 4 hearts and they've bid 4 spades. What to do? Well, we've actually got 4 spades, which is good. We've got 3 top tricks, but it's not a good idea to bid anymore or to double. So let's just pass and defend. Lead the ace of hearts, and we can see that dummy is very good for spades. They only had 1 heart and 4 beautiful spades. They did make a double, which showed a shortage and the spades anyway. But let's play the king of clubs, followed by the ace of clubs. This is a traditional way to show a doubleton. Now, what to do next? Who knows? Play a heart. They can trump. But if they don't play carefully, they might get into trouble because we've got 4 trumps and the trumps have broken 4-1. So now they play the king of diamonds overtaking with the ace. This is good play. This is unblocking their diamonds. Now they take our trump and now they can enjoy their diamonds rather than losing at the end because they were able to get to make their 5 diamonds. They didn't have any trumps left when they drew our last trump, so they had to make 5 diamonds. The only way to do it was to play the king and overtake it with the ace. Otherwise, they'd have been stuck in dummy and they would have lost a club. So well done. They made 10 tricks in spades. We made it as hard as we could for them, but they survived.